In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT too many requests error. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Let's get started. The first method is to open up a web browser and search up "Is ChatGPT down?" From here, scroll down until you see Down Detector and click on that link. Then it will show all of the AI outages reported in the last 24 hours. If there's a huge spike, that likely means that there's been an outage and you might have to wait for the outage to resolve. Now, if this doesn't work, the next thing is to swipe out of the app, go to your settings, and then from here you want to go to apps, and then you want to search up ChatGPT. And then you want to clear your cache or your storage if that would help. And at that point, it should refresh everything and ChatGPT should be working normally. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you're ready for the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.